they tidy up this shitty mess. It's been really great. Really, really great. It's been raining, it's all clay. Just, you know, living the dream. Living the dream. Trying to save old mate's grass as best we can. Sometimes it's a little bit hard. But everything's so sticky and wet. But that's where experience comes into play. Put it over there. Let's zoom out a bit. That'll be a bit better for you. Try and get all this sticky wet clay. The good thing is the grass was a little bit damp to start with, which is good. That's what you want. Everything slides off the grass nice and easy. I had a couple of bits of concrete we found in his yard, a couple of random bits. Do the right thing and rebury them for him. Grab that one. The lower. It's an old septic trench. I'm going to be able to grab that, too close to me now. Skid him over. It's all poo water you can see too. That's the old one there. So let's get this back out without moving. Testing my skill levels a little bit, that's for sure. That's there. Beautiful. Loves it. Let's see what happens. Always someone trying to interrupt my recordings. Always. I'm trying to save it. Somehow I fluffed up and buried the grass. I don't know how I managed to do that. No, I put the grass on the wrong side. That's what I did. It's looking pretty good anyway. Yeah. Put that stuff in there. Shake the stuff here. There. Sneak up here. Get that grass over. Hopefully it'll play nice. Try to drag it around the sprinkler head. Something like that. Always might just have to do a bit of a tidy up by hand around those bits. Thinking. Bits, slide them into place, just little bits out, a bit of a tap. Beautiful. Loving it. This one over here. I haven't even stopped yet. It's like, what is it? 1:30. Been here since 6:30. I haven't stopped. Beautiful. You wouldn't even know I'd been there. Too good. Look at that. Apart from the little bits of clay in me, in the ruts of me track with me. Track cleat to be. Not much we can do about it. The joys of doing the stuff in the rain. Beautiful. good. Stuff doesn't sit down as nicely, but I cut it a little bit too thick. I normally try and turf cut it about 100 mil. It's a bit dry in some spots and hard, and the old clay just sort of pops out as it feels like it. Doesn't really want to do what you want it to do.